Hello, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and we are opening our 12 Days of Stitchmas Advent box. So I just have the lid because, as you can see, I had to take all of the bags down because I had to pull the couch out yesterday. So I've got them all back in the box with just the last ones that need to be opened. And we are on day 11. Ooh, it's little. I think I know what this is. I think we have a tape measure. That's my guess. That's my guess. Let's see here. But I'll tell you what, if it is, you cannot have enough tape measures around. And it's purple. Doesn't look very purple on the camera, but it's a nice deep lavender. How wonderful. And it says Bothy Threads on it, and it has their logo. There. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I love it. I love these. You cannot get enough of these. I like to have one of these in every project bag. I've got them on every table anywhere near me. I love these. Cannot get enough of them. So that is a wonderful, wonderful item to have in here. And I was going to, I was going to look at our section thing, because I didn't bring it out the last time so we could see all the different sections that we're working on. So I believe when everything is said and done, the picture itself is just going to be in this main area here. And I don't know if there's going to be anything down here or not. Be interesting to work on this one. I'm actually getting excited to work on this one. Oh, brought in a cup of tea, just plain old black tea today. I love black tea. Just absolutely love it. It is one of my favorite things. And this one isn't even English breakfast. It's just your very basic black tea. So that's one of the things that I love the most. So we're almost done. We've got one more day, and then this will get put away. I'll have to decide when we're going to work on it. Either I'm going to work on it, or I'm just going to put it in the list of things to work on. I'm still not sure. I'm still thinking about it. I thought I had it figured out, and then I may have changed my mind, which I am wont to do, as y'all know. So I think that's it. That was day 11. Day 11 of our 12 Days of Stitchmas. Thank you so very much. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.